Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now dash cams are wonderful in that they give you a first-person view of the road as you're driving and also protect you from any false claims that might come your way. Accidents can happen at any time, and it's always good to have video footage to back you up. After all, there's nothing as distressing as getting blamed for a crash that wasn't your fault. With that said, dash cams do have the challenge of producing clear and detailed footage day or night. And more importantly, dash cams need to be reliable in that you can count on them to capture everything that happens on the road. And so with that in mind, I put together a list of the 3 best dash cams that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then depending on your particular situation, you can see which one might be the best option for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best overall dash cam, and that's going to be the Vantrue N4. Now the reason we like this dash cam so much is that its main camera delivers crisp and clear footage both day and night. It offers night vision and a wide-angle view of 150 degrees, so you're never going to miss anything that's happening around you. As a matter of fact, it's one of the few dash cams on the market that can record videos in true 4K, so you know you're getting the highest quality footage possible. So remember we said main camera, right? Well, that's because this dash cam actually comes with 2 other cameras, one facing inside the vehicle and one for the back. And that's great because it means you're getting full coverage of everything that's happening in and around your vehicle. And another thing that we really liked about this dash cam is that it's jam-packed with useful features that are actually going to be helpful to you. For example, it's got a parking mode that will automatically start recording if it detects any sort of impact while your car is parked. So whether you're worried about getting hit in a parking lot or want to gather evidence in the event of a hit and run, this dash cam has got you covered. Another feature that we loved about this dash cam is its heat-resistant supercapacitor, which allows it to withstand extreme temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're driving in the middle of a scorching hot summer day or a cold winter night, you can rest assured that your dash cam will still be working properly. And finally, we really appreciate that this dash cam comes with an 18-month warranty, which is twice as long as most other dash cams on the market. So if you do have any issues with it, you know you're covered. Now, if we have to be picky, the only downside to this dash cam is that there's no app connection for live view or to change any of the settings from a smartphone. So you'll have to do that all from the device itself, which can be a bit of a pain. But it's not necessarily a deal breaker. And there's no built-in GPS tracking either, but you can always get around that by purchasing an external GPS mount. So all in all, the Vantrue N4 is the best overall dash cam that we can recommend to most people. If you're looking for great footage, full coverage, and lots of features that will help you keep yourself and your vehicle safe, then this would be the one to get. And next up is our pick for the best discreet dash cam, and that's going to be the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Now, not everyone wants a big and bulky dash cam taking up space on their windshield, and that's where the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 comes in. At only 2 inches wide, it's one of the smallest dash cams on the market, and it's about the same size as a fob key. But don't let its size fool you because it still packs a punch. This little guy will deliver clear and crisp footage thanks to its 1080p resolution, and it has all the essential features that you would expect from a dash cam, like 24-hour parked car monitoring, loop recording, and incident detection. Plus you get some smart features like voice control and built-in Wi-Fi that you normally wouldn't expect to find in such a small device. And speaking of the built-in Wi-Fi, that's actually one of our favorite things about this dash cam because it allows you to connect it to the Garmin Drive app. From there, you can view live footage, download videos, and change settings all from your smartphone. So it's super convenient and makes it super easy to use. Another feature that we really liked about this dash cam is the magnetic mount that makes it super easy to attach and remove. So if you want to take it with you when you leave your vehicle, you can do that without any hassle. And because it's so small and discreet, potential thieves are less likely to notice it, which is always a bonus. Of course, its small size does come with a few drawbacks. For one, there's no screen on the device itself, so you'll have to rely on the app for all your settings and configurations. There's no built-in GPS on this dashcam either, and there's no option to add one, so you won't be able to use it to check your speed and location data. That said, this is not necessarily a deal breaker and is something that most people would expect from such a small dashcam. So overall, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a remarkable dashcam that offers great features and footage quality despite its small size. If you're looking for a discreet and unobtrusive dashcam that's easy to use, then this would be the one to get. And last but not least is our pick for the best budget dashcam, and that's going to be the Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam. Now Vantrue is known for making high-quality dashcams, and the N1 Pro Mini is no exception. It's one of the most affordable dashcams on the market, but it still offers great features and footage quality. For less than $80, you get a 1080p dashcam with all the essential features like loop recording, incident detection, and 24-hour parked car monitoring. Plus, you also get some nice extras like a 170-degree wide-angle lens, motion detection, and date and time stamping. In terms of footage quality, the N1 Pro Mini delivers clear and sharp images thanks to its 1080p resolution. And even at night, the footage is still quite good thanks to its built-in super low light sensor. The only downside to this dashcam is that it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles like some of the more expensive models. For example, there's no GPS tracking or Wi-Fi connectivity, but again, this is to be expected at this price point. Overall, the Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam is the best budget dashcam that we can recommend to most people. And if you're looking for a dashcam that's affordable and still offers great features and footage quality, then this would be the one to get. So that wraps up our list of the best dashcams. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you may have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.